Hi, I'm Sophie Benison, and welcome to NVSD Weather Report. Today is going to be partly cloudy with a high of 17 degrees, so that means we're getting warmer weather and you may want to go out on the playground, but tonight it's going to drop to 9 degrees, but we'll still see some clear skies and you may want to go stargazing. Oh, and watch out for my favorite constellation, the Big Dipper. But tomorrow it's going to be a little warmer than 17 degrees. It's going to be a high of 20 degrees and mostly sunny. So slap on your sunscreen, head to the beach, throw the frisbee around, have a picnic. Anyway, that's all for today. I'm Sophie Benison and you're watching the NVSD Weather Report.